Our treaties affirmed our right to hunt, harvest, and live in relationship with the land. And with those rights comes responsibility. Responsibility to protect and sustain what Creator has entrusted to us. A lot of us have lost those teachings along the way, and you need to understand what you need to do. And when you don't understand, that's a sad feeling. But it also makes you want to learn more, and it makes you want to listen and pay attention when you get those teachings. And that is the key where we need to all do our part and teach our kids and our future generations.